In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Hostinger domain, step by step. Whether you're starting a brand new site or giving an existing project a cleaner address, I'll walk you through the exact clicks so your domain is purchased and connected properly. Before we begin, you will need a Hostinger plan so you can create and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, check the description for the latest deal and an extra 10% off coupon code. Using those links supports the channel and helps me keep making honest tutorials. Once you're signed in, head to your dashboard and open the Domains tab. Click Get a New Domain. In the search bar, type the name you want. Keep it short, easy to spell, and avoid trademarked words. Hit search, then scroll through the available extensions like .com, .net, or region-specific options. Pricing and availability vary by extension, so pick the one that fits your brand and budget. When you've found the one you like, click Buy Domain. You'll see a prompt to choose your billing period, typically from 1 to 3 years. Longer terms can lock in today's rate, while shorter terms keep your upfront cost lower. Choose what makes sense for you. When you're ready, proceed to payment. If you already have a payment method saved, you can edit it. Otherwise, complete payment will take you to a secure screen to enter your details. On the right, you'll see today's total so you can double check everything before confirming. After you purchase, Hostinger will return you to the Domains tab where you can see the new domain listed to confirm it's processed. Next, connect the domain to a specific website in your account. Go to the Websites tab, select the site you want to use, and click Connect Domain. On the next page, choose the domain you just bought. That's it. Head back to your dashboard and you'll see the site associated with the domain. It can take a short while before everything displays everywhere, but you don't need to do anything else here. If you still need a plan, remember the discounted link and the extra 10% coupon in the description. I hope this walkthrough was helpful. If it was, tap like and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them quickly. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.